This is probably the most stupidest thing I have ever bought. Hello everyone, my name is Mharz and today we are going to unbox this thing. Now, this thing is, I found this in, you already see the brand, it's Lazada. It's an online marketplace like Amazon in US. This is what it is here in the Philippines, Lazada. So I found this and I'm curious because I've seen this. It's a mystery pouch thing. Apparently, these are very prevalent in that stores, in that marketplace, which is very strange, and I don't know if this is even legal. So so we're gonna check out the contents of this. I bought this for $99, so I'm not gonna spend like lots of money for this because like I said in the intro of this video, it's stupid. So if you don't know what mystery box is, it's practically you know, in games where you can buy things that I should close my window where you can buy things that you open and it has like random perks and stuffs called loot boxes, which has been proven for lots of times that it is gambling. Yep, that is gambling, and I don't even know how this marketplace is allowing this. They're not even disclosing they're not even disclosing the items that you can get. They just you know, say that get a chance to win this cool gadget thing like a phone. So yeah, I don't really know. So yeah, we are going to try to open this today and see if we got our money's worth. So let's go. So we're gonna open this. I'm gonna get some scissors. Alright, I'll just gonna hold it up right here, and we're gonna cut it on top. So yeah. I'm not really expecting anything here. Let's just see what is inside. It does seem to have just 2 items. What is this? Oh, look at that. A cable protector to prevent your cables from breaking and bending. Okay, and a second one is a monopod. Okay, I honestly don't have this. So it's a selfie stick. Oh man, I need to try this. Okay, let me just open this. I didn't expect it to have a selfie stick. So okay, well, that is really unexpected at all. So that's the thing that we got from this mystery box. I have no idea how to use this actually. I've never ever have touched a monopod before. I know it's embarrassing, but you know, things like this has never really bothered me. You know, I never really bothered buying that until I decided to become a vlogger. So yeah, we're gonna try to see here. Apparently it's extendable. So how do you extend this? Oh no, I don't want to break it. Oh dear, I am so smart. Best capability and steady provided by 3rd generation chipset. I don't even know what it means. I mean, you can read it. Can you read it? I don't even know what this means. So selfie stick cable take pole? Cable take pole? What on earth is this? So how, I don't even, there's not a gosh dang instruction inside of this. See the dilemma here. if an alien like, if a dumb like me decided to like open this. Oh god. Oh man. Here's my other camera and it's gonna take a video of this. Now I was able to expand it like this. So this is the furthest it can go. So not bad. So if I want to stop the recording, I will press this button here like this. So yeah, so that's practically what I got in this mystery box. So I'm gonna test it out, okay? So I'm gonna switch to my phone camera to see if this is really working. So
allow me to translate this video for you. This selfie stick sucks. I honestly have no idea if this is working or not, but the microphone isn't really recording anything when I plugged it onto the wired thing on the stick. More on that on the next clip.
this thing is absolutely garbage. So you can only use this to just prop your phone, but you have to use other recording thing here. So yeah, and you can't really use this button here if it's not attached. This one is not attached, which is it's so weird. I always find selfie sticks so weird, but yeah. So I can still use it when I need to, when I go outside, and I decided to vlog outside the outside world. So yeah, I can use that. So the next thing we're gonna check is this thing worth our money? So I spent 99 pesos this without shipping because I got it with free shipping voucher because I don't like shipping fees. And yeah, so we're gonna check if this is even gonna reach 99 pesos. So let's hop into our PC and see what we can do.
How much are the items we got in this mystery pouch? So we're gonna search the cable protector. This is the one because I know from the colors. Oh my days, it only cost 10 pesos. Wow, see, this is exactly the thing that I got. Let's search selfie stick. Okay, I think I found it. Portable. Yep, that looks like the one. It didn't even reach 99. What a false is this? So 10 plus 38 is 48. It's only half of the price I got. So this is really stupid. I told you guys, it is a very stupid thing. It's the most stupid thing that I bought. So that was annoying. So that is kind of sad.
Although I did buy one out of curiosity, and I am not expecting to get anything significant. I'm still quite salty that I didn't get items equivalent to what I paid for. Imagine if you paid more than 99 pesos for this, and you only got 2 garbage items. That would be really sad.
I want to check something else in this video before we end it.
So I'm currently checking the terms and service of this online marketplace, and apparently mystery boxes are controlled but not banned. Let's read further down, shall we? So the mystery box that I bought doesn't really follow the terms that well. If you see here, it says the listing must show photos of the items the buyer will receive. But if you search mystery boxes in this site, well, these listings never ever show the selfie sticks and the cable thingies. They always show the phone or fancy gadgets. That is obviously a red flag. And this online marketplace is really just letting this slide apparently. Though it says here that they are quote-unquote continuously assessing the listings. I don't know about that.
I hope you enjoy this video. It's probably so scatterbrained. I only bought this out of curiosity. So it's not really just for fun, but I'm not really gonna buy like a bajillion to see if we are going to get a phone. That's just dumb. And you know, I would just rather, if you want a phone, don't spend it on those mystery box. Just save your money. Save your money until you earn how much you need for a phone, and then get a phone, right? So that is way better and more legit than that. So yeah, so I just really want to show you how dubious these things are, and this should not be condoned, even though I bought one. So if you see, you should probably just report this or something. So I don't know. So I'm not really sure how we can do that. But anyway, that is it for this silly video. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Smash that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!